me holding the phone with your right hand, manipulating that phone. I mean...
So you want to just call this a day? Or?
I don't want to call it a day. You with the right hand, perhaps not, right? But I saw you.
You didn't see me with my right hand.
Okay, so are you
saying that you saw me with my right hand?
I know what I just said. I know what I just said.
February 11th, 2026, Lake Worth Beach, Florida. It starts as a standard traffic stop, just a deputy pulling over a car for a minor violation. But what unfolds next is something he never could have prepared for in a million years.
Hello, ma'am. Hey, good morning. I'm Deputy Gonzalez with the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. This is why you're being pulled over in the city of Lake Worth today. We're doing an operation for distracted driver, and you drove past me holding the phone with your right hand, manipulating that phone. I mean, I saw you with the phone in your hand.
Not. So you want to just call this a day? Or?
I don't want to call it a day. You had a hand up manipulating the phone.
You just said my right hand.
Well, I thought I saw you with your right hand. You
so
had a
you
hand
didn't.
up. The right hand. I saw you manipulate.
So you didn't.
With the right hand, perhaps not, right? But I saw you.
You didn't see me with my right hand.
Okay, so are you
saying that you saw me with my right hand?
I know what I just said. I know what I just said. I'm asking you now. Did you or not have your phone on your hand?
I did not.
You did not have your phone in your hand?
I did not.
Hand to God, you didn't have your phone in your hand.
Hand to God.
The other hand to God, you don't have your phone in your hand.
Hand to God.
Cool. You have your driver's license, registration, and insurance with you.
Let's get into the legal beef here. Under the Fourth Amendment, law enforcement can lawfully initiate a traffic stop based on reasonable, articulable suspicion. If an officer reasonably believes a driver is holding a prohibited device, that alone establishes sufficient legal justification for the stop. Absolute certainty isn't required. The officer just needs to be able to articulate the specific visual facts that sparked their initial suspicion.
I think this is the current one. They're all in the same pile, so it's not. I can find you. And you need insurance too?
Just to get insurance. North K Street is good address for you?
Yes.
All right, hang tight for me.
But what the officer does next will leave you completely speechless.
People that have been in an Uber and feel like their driver was... This is a major shakeup. I was all excited about the Real Housewives of New York. They flipped networks. They were leaving Bravo, gonna go to E. And now there's drama with the cast over one of them speaking out of turn. What did she say that got her fired? I'll tell you, coming up in your dirt. 60-minute session and 12 promotional vouchers worth over $195. Sign for a new 12-month membership by February 22nd. MassageMD.com for details. Currently hiring licensed massage therapists and estheticians.
Comcast Business helps turn today's small businesses into engines of modern business. It's how restaurants become reliably up and running neighborhood favorites. How retailers become seamlessly restocking cybersecurity must-visit shops. And how healthcare offices become the data managing caregivers that we all depend on. With reliable connectivity, enhanced cybersecurity, advanced fiber solutions, and Wi-Fi backup, Comcast Business is powering the engine of modern business.
All right, ma'am. So you're gonna receive a citation for wireless communication device handheld while driving. We got to put the phone down as we operate a motor vehicle.
Oh, and you put on there that you saw me with my right hand holding it.
I did not put that. No, if you want to take it to court.
But that's what you said when you pulled me over. Yes,
that's what I said.
That you saw me holding my device with my right hand.
I'm not disagreeing with you. Yes, that's what I said.
Okay.
Yes. So if you want to take it to court.
And that's what you saw.
That's what I said.
That's what you said you saw.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to take it to court, option 5 on the back of the ticket. That's how you take that ticket to court. Do you have any questions for me?
No. Thank you.
Have a good day.
After the body cam footage went viral, drawing millions of views over the sheer absurdity of a $116 ticket for holding a phone in a hand she doesn't have, Katie Thomas refused to back down. She pleaded not guilty and prepared to fight the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office in court. But right before her scheduled hearing, the deputy quietly backed down and requested a full dismissal due to insufficient evidence. The judge officially dropped the charge, leaving Thomas completely vindicated without paying a single cent. But I want to hear from you. What is your opinion on the officer's behavior in this situation? Was it justified or a clear overstep? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you want more legal breakdowns like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.